Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the verb functions. Okay, remember that we have learned that verbs can be regular and irregular. We have also learned that verbs have 12 forms of uh, conjugations, like the three tenses: present, past, and future, and each form has four different conjugations. And also we have learned that verbs can be transitive and intransitive. But now we are going to learn about the functions of the verb. There are three functions of the verb: gerund, participle, infinitive. The gerund function converts verbs into nouns. For example, swimming is good for your body. In this sentence, swimming is the gerund function working as the subject. As you can see, it is the subject of the sentence. And is the main verb of the sentence. So as you can see, the gerund function works as a noun, not as a verb. The next function, which is the participle, it has two tenses, present and past. It works as a verb and as an adjective. The present participle works as a verb in the continuous or progressive structure. It takes an ing form. For example, the boy is swimming in the lake right now. In this present continuous or progressive sentence, the boy is the subject of the sentence, and swimming is the verb in the present participle function. So, if you notice here, swimming is working as a verb in the present participle function. But here, swimming is working as a gerund, is working as a noun, because it's the subject of the sentence. The same verb, the same word is in different position. Here is at the beginning, and here is after. Here is before the verb because it's the subject, and here is after the subject because it's the verb. Then we have the present participle function that also works as an adjective. It can describe things, situations, places, and people's personality. For example, classes online are exciting. In this sentence, classes online is the subject of the sentence. Okay? Classes online, subject, before the verb. And are is the verb, the main verb. And exciting is the present participle function, working as an adjective, describing a thing, the classes online. So as you can see, it is a verb, but it's not working as a verb. It's working as an adjective because it's describing a thing, classes online. Now, we are going to continue with the participle, and we are going to go to the past participle. Sorry that I have to do this, but I don't have too much space to put everything at once. Okay, so we have the past participle that works as a verb in the perfect and the passive structures. It has a regular and irregular form. For example, the boy has swum in the lake all morning. In this present perfect sentence, the boy is the subject of the sentence, the boy. And swum is the verb in the past participle function that is working, is together with has, is working as a present perfect structure. That's why it says the boy has swum in the lake all morning. So has swum is a present perfect structure that is composed from has, the auxiliary, and swum, that is the past participle verb. Now we have another example. That it says the online classes are taught by teacher Guadalupe. In this passive voice sentence, the online classes is the subject of the sentence, and taught is the verb in the past participle function. As you can see, as I said before, the past participle works as a verb in the present perfect, in the perfect tenses, like this example, and in the passive form, like this example, okay? So together with the auxiliary be and the past participle function makes a passive voice sentence or a structure. Okay, then we have the next one is the past participle working as a, let me see. Yes, the past participle working as an adjective. So it says, Teacher Guadalupe is excited to teach online. In this sentence, Teacher Guadalupe is the subject of the sentence, and is the verb, and excited is the past participle function working as an adjective, describing feelings. Okay. Describing feelings. As you can see, the past participle can work as a verb and can also work as an adjective. Remember that when I was talking about the present participle, it takes ing, and we use the word exciting because we were describing a thing, a class. Now we use the word excited because we are describing feelings. So the past participle function we use to describe feelings, emotions, skills, and appearance. Okay, and this is a good example of it. Teacher Guadalupe is the subject, is the main verb, and excited is the adjective describing Teacher Guadalupe's feeling to teach online. Okay? Now we have the infinitive. Okay, the infinitive function has two forms, with the to and without the to, which is called base form. The infinitive function with the to never works as a verb. It works as a noun, or as an adjective, or as an adverb. Okay, here are some examples. It says, to swim is good for your body. In this sentence, to swim works as the subject of the sentence, and is works as the main verb of the sentence. Remember when I was explaining gerund that it said swimming is good for your body. So you can either use infinitive or gerund because both of them work as a noun. So they can be the subjects of the sentence. Then we have Then we have the infinitive working as an adjective. Look at this sentence. This is a good topic to internalize. In this sentence, this is the subject of the sentence. Is the verb of the sentence, and to internalize is the infinitive function working as an adjective, describing a topic. What kind of topic is this? A topic to internalize. Okay? So as you can see, we have it as a noun, we have it as an adjective. And now we're going to see it as a adverb. I study to learn. In this sentence, I is the subject of the sentence, study is the verb of the sentence, and to learn is the infinitive function working as an adverb, describing the verb study, answering to why. Why do you study? I study to learn. So as you can see, the infinitive function can work as a noun, can work as an adjective, or can work as an adverb, but never as a verb. Now, we are going to talk about sorry about this, but I am doing this at home and I'm trying to do my best. Okay? This is like a puzzle. Okay. So now, as you can see, there is another infinitive function that is the one without the to, and it works as a verb and as a noun. For example, we will be in quarantine until the end of May. In this sentence, we is the subject and be is the infinitive function in the base form, working as the main verb of the sentence. We have a future form here. Will is the auxiliary, plus be, which is the base form of the main verb. Then we have another sentence. Let me go out of the house, please. That I think everybody is thinking about. Please, I want to go out. In this sentence, there is not a subject because it's an imperative sentence. Let is the verb of the sentence and go is the infinitive function in the base form working as a noun. So as you can see, the infinitive function with the to work as a noun, as an adjective, and as an adverb, never as a verb. But the infinitive function without the to, the one we call base form, okay, that works as a verb and as a noun. Okay, so it says we will be in quarantine until the end of May. So as I said, be is the base form of the verb, and here is the noun. Let me go out of the house, please, in this sentence. As I said, because it's an imperative, no subject, but the infinitive without the to, the base form of the verb, is working as a noun, working as an indirect object. Let me go. Okay? So here, which one is the verb here? Let, not go. Okay? I hope you have understand this video and these functions of the verb, and this is my first class online, so I hope you have liked it. And if you need any more help, please join my Pink Elephant Club on Facebook. This is the URL, and you can take note and join my club. You will find a lot of help, a lot of grammar, vocabulary, listening exercise, all kind of help from the beginner level until advanced level. So I hope you have a good day, and please stay at home. Thank you.